Good morning, guys. How you doing? This is Keyon Corniffe, also known as Mr. Finance, and I just want to come on real quick and ask you a question. Do you know what's your F.I.N number? Do you know your F.I.N number? Your F.I.N number, it stands for your final income number that you need for your retirement. Now, the problem is that a lot of people never get to learn how to do their F.I.N number or understand how to figure out what's their F.I.N number because nobody want to teach us this number. Now, knowing your F.I.N number starts with three things. You got to know the three things that's happening in your life. You got to know where you are now. You got to know where you want to be later, and you got to know when is the end. All right, at least on an average. So one of the things that you got to do is to learn your F.I.N number is that you got to know how much you need to save, and you got to learn how much you need to actually have for you to retire comfortably. Once you know these two things, you will know your F.I.N number. So pretty much, if you want to learn your F.I.N number, just click the link and let's talk and I'll teach you it. It takes literally about 5 to 10 minutes to learn your F.I.N number, right? So at least you know where you need to go and you have a goal to go reach. See you later.